Do you go to school 365 days in a year?
No.
How many days do you go to school in a year?
180.
180.
Raise your hands, you know.
180.
In the purple shirt.
180.
You're correct. 180. Depends what high school, but it's real close to 180. Some of them are 175 now. That's for the smart people. They only go to school less days. No, that's not. So, 180 days. 4 years, 180 days each. 4 times 180. Somebody got a calculator? What is that? Raise your hand if you know. Without a calculator. Very impressive. 720 days. 720 days. Now, remember when I talked about this? This represents every day, every minute of the year. So that represents 4 times 365, not 4 times 180. You see, because 4 times 180 is 720 days, as you said, divided by 365. Now, do that one in your head. 720 divided by 365.
1.8.
1.97. Well, can we call it 2? We're going to call it 2. Because I'm Portuguese and it's close enough. Okay. So it's actually on this timeline that takes care of every minute of the year. We're really talking about 2 years. You have to be closer to it. So high school, you label it. 3. This is how much you go to high school. This is how many days you go to high school in your life. In your life. Wait a minute. Do you go 24 hours a day to school? No. You go 6 hours a day. So what's 6? 720 days times 6 divided by 24. Here we got calculators. I'll do it slow. Here's the calculator. 720 days.
180. 180.
Did somebody say 180? Who said 180? Very good. Okay, so 180 days, 24 hours a day. You see? Now, 180 days divided by 365 will tell you how many years on this, and you will discover that 180 divided by 365 on this timeline that we're talking about here is 6 inches. 6 inches of your life on 72 feet will determine if you go to college, you get a job, you go to Merced College, you go to a 4-year university, you go to a 4-year university, or you go to the armed services, or you go to work for somebody.